cancel. The 4 desktop settings, no devices plugged in, which is correct. To the right we have Clipper, sound settings, active network manager. Let's see what manage connections looks like. Okay, this is rather simple to use, easy to understand. Add, edit, delete. We'll just get click cancel. We got the time here. No, I'm moving the cursor over the I button and it popped up no active jobs or notifications. You would think that's where the update notification icon would be, but it's not there. Calendar, of course, is there. Let's see what happens if I right click the icon. Panel options, add widgets. Okay, we got a little icon here. Left click, what does that do? Alright, well, let's try add widgets. Oh, I don't know. Let's try analog clock. Okay. And at the bottom right we have the clock, of course. Okay, and if I wanted to, let me get out of the calendar there. If I can. Okay, well, if I right click the clock, remove the analog clock, which is fine. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the top right icon, which is probably add widgets. Add widgets. Okay, well, I have this on a laptop. Let's highlight that. Add widgets. Or add the battery monitor widget, and yep, it's right. Oh, that's huge, my goodness. Okay, let's see, let's right click, battery monitor settings. Alright, let's make this a little bit smaller, shall we? Oh, let's see, I want to show charge information. Sure, why not? But I don't see a spot for changing the size of the icon, so let's do help. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Katie does not exist. Yes, I know my battery's fully charged. It says so there. There is no documentation. Do I not have the tutorial installed? Let me type in size and see what happens. A search. Do you want to create? No, I don't want to create anything right now. Let me type in size. No, I don't want to create it. I just want to go straight to size. Alright, well, there's nothing there yet for documentation to change the size. Right now, I like the icon. It's just too damn big. So right now, this particular function of SimplyMepis is not very user-friendly. I like how it looks. It's simple enough. I like the fact that you can change the start button menu from that menu editor. Okay, you can change the settings there, which is fine. This looks like this SimplyMepis is very, very customizable. Let's go back to the classic menu style. Left click, application launcher, and this is fine. I mean, this here, at the top it's showing what I had tried before, Sweeper, System Cleaner, which I haven't tried yet, but I would probably say works pretty good. I do like this file system here on the left. As mainly a Windows user, and I tinker with Ubuntu, Linux, and a few other ones, this is good. Let me go to multimedia and see what the KM player looks like. And intro KM player. Okay, boots up. We got some splashes there. Okay, then well that's simple enough. And this booted up rather quickly considering I'm running this inside of a virtual box. I like how this looks. It looks very customizable. It's nice that there is a MEPIS manual there right off the bat that's on your desktop. I don't like the fact that there isn't a quick launch for the update manager, and I don't like that when you click on a widget and install it, there's no size function or resize function. This user manual, just a quick look, actually looks pretty darn good. We have welcome, introduction. Now I'm sure if I search through here I would find how to start the update manager or resize the icons, but you would think as something as simple as that it would be right here on the desktop, and it's not. So as far as my verdict for this, I like how it looks. It looks extremely customizable. In terms of user friendliness, I'm going to have to give it maybe a 5 out of 10. I wanted the update manager to be there where I could see it immediately and how to resize this friggin' icon here. But other than that, SimplyMepis looks good. It could use a little bit of a tune-up in terms of being intuitive for Windows users. Well, and one thing I noticed at the bottom right, the clock is in military time. And I'm not sure since, well, it shouldn't be that way. Okay, that's it for my review for SimplyMepis 8.5. That is, if you're looking for something that looks something like Windows and appears to be highly customizable, then this is it. And I'm pretty sure SimplyMepis plays multimedia out of the box, and if I'm wrong, somebody correct me. Anyway, that is my review for SimplyMepis 8.5. Thank you for watching this edition of Total OS Today. Thanks everybody.